Hello everybody, it's Middle C back again. I got a retail basketball break. I got two of these blaster boxes of 2014-15 Panini Prizm. As you can see, they were discounted down to $12 each. They do have one jersey card per box, so you get that jersey card, and they have some exclusive autographs, so maybe we'll hit one of those. So let me open everything up and we'll go through the cards. Thanks for watching. Okay, all done opening up the packs. So let's go ahead and try blaster box number one here. There's an Ennis rookie card. Splitter. Very nice. Andrew Wiggins Freshman Phenoms rookie card. Little Prizm look. Very nice. Sprewell Jennings. We got a Rustbrook Prizm short print. We got a Petrovic Prizm. Depot Rambus. Looks like we got a green coming up. LeBron James. Maurice Cheeks green. Green parallels are not numbered. Juvar, Walton, Verjao. Patrick Young rookie card green. Ewing Harris rookie. We got Magic Johnson blue mojo. Forget what they call this one. Very cool looking parallel. See the sign in it. Chandler Lee. We'll see the jersey on the back here. Matt Barnes. Same kind of blue mojo Prizm. Calling it mojo Prizm. I don't know what it's called. And the jersey. Gary Payton. Very cool. Old school. Not numbered, but a very cool looking card. Sonics. Very nice. That was a pretty cool box. Got the rookie of Wiggins and nice, couple nice parallels. So let's go move on to box number two. Alright, price. Representatives. Kyochinko. Little Prizm. Insert. Jimmy Butler green Prizm, very nice. Marcus Smart rookie. Kurt Rambus blue. Jason Terry green. Scottie Pippen. Trey Burke. Tobias Harris. Bill Lambert, beer. I'll put the, oh crap, let's save that for Deion Jordan. Very cool. From the Blazers, Scottie Pippen. Wow, some good value here for $12. And you probably saw it as Stephen Curry green. That's very nice. Great looking card. Sweet to hit a parallel of him. And Millsap, I'll do a quick little recap. That's it. Thanks for watching.